In this video, you'll learn how to create a ticket in Zoho Desk. Whether you're just getting started with Zoho Desk or you're helping someone new on your team, this walkthrough will show you the complete process from start to finish so you can log customer issues quickly and accurately. First, start by opening Zoho Desk. You can do this by going to the Zoho Desk website and signing in with your account, or by opening it from your company's app launcher if that's how your organization has set it up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which may look slightly different depending on your role and permissions, but the overall layout and options will be very similar. Next, you need to navigate to the Tickets section. Look for the main navigation menu, usually at the top or on the left side of the screen. There, you'll see an option labeled Tickets. Click on that. This is where all of your existing tickets are listed, and it's also where you'll go whenever you want to create a new one. Taking a second to get familiar with this page can be helpful because you'll probably be coming back here often to track and manage ongoing requests. Now that you're in the tickets area, you're ready to create a new ticket. Look for a button that says Add Ticket or simply New Ticket. It's typically located near the top of the page. Click that button to open the ticket creation form. This form is where you'll provide all the essential details about the customer's issue or request. The first fields you'll want to fill out are the subject and description. The subject should be a short, clear summary of the issue. Think of it like an email subject line that makes it easy to understand what the ticket is about at a glance. For example, you might write something like unable to log into account or billing discrepancy on latest invoice. Keeping the subject concise but descriptive makes it easier for your team to scan and prioritize tickets later. Below the subject, you'll find the description field. This is where you enter the full details of the issue, include any relevant background information, what the customer is experiencing, any error messages they see, and what has already been tried, if anything. The more specific and organized you are in this description, the faster your team can diagnose and resolve the problem. If your organization has guidelines for what to include, such as steps to reproduce or affected products, make sure to follow those here. After entering the subject and description, you'll need to select the appropriate department and priority. The department typically represents the team responsible for handling the ticket, such as support, sales, or billing. Choose the department that best matches the nature of the request so it goes to the right place immediately. Then set the priority based on how urgent or impactful the issue is. For example, a major outage affecting many users would be high priority, while a minor question or non-urgent request might be low or medium. Choosing the right priority helps your team respond in a sensible order and meet any service level agreements you might have. Once you've reviewed everything and you're confident the details are correct, you're ready for the final step. Click the Submit button to create the ticket. Zoho Desk will save it and assign it a ticket number, which you can share with the customer if needed and use to track progress. After submission, you can return to the ticket section to see the new ticket in the list, update it, add comments, or assign it if your workflow requires that. Now, that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and consistently create tickets in Zoho Desk, making it easier for your team to stay organized and respond effectively to every request.